Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can set custom column width in Divi website. So here you can see I have two columns and each column width is by default 50%. So let me edit this content and set the column width. So first of all I can go in my website dashboard. And here you can see I have logged in. After that, let me reload this page. Then click here Enable Divi Builder. So now Divi Builder is loading. After that I will edit this section. So currently I have only one section on this demo page. Alright. So to access column settings, simply click here row settings, then here you can see column 1, column 2. So for example I want to decrease this column width. Let me go here in the second column, then advanced tab, then custom CSS, then module elements, then scroll down and main element. Just I need to add one line shortcode here. So here you can see this one, width 10% important. So just I can copy and add here. So now you can see width is automatically decreased. So for example I want to keep it 30, and here you can see it is adjusting automatically. So you can also remove it, and if you want to set column width for only mobile devices, just you can go here mobile icon, then here you can see mobile, tablet and phone. Then you can add here code. Now here you can see column width is only decreased on the mobile devices. So just you can use width 10% important, 20%, 30%, whatever you want to keep. So after that just you can click on three dots and save it. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.